Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will let to show you the way how you can customize your own stickers only with Instagram application on your account. So you just need to open the Instagram application on your phone. Make sure that you stay into the home section, or you can also just right away tap into this plus button in the middle and then just go type into this story. Now type into this to explore your photo library, and then you just need to add the picture as the background. Take a look on this top side and please click the second options right here, and now you will got this type of option of features. So the thing that you need to find is a cutout feature. If you don't have this, make sure that you're already upgrading your Instagram application into the newest version by visit your app library or app store. Now we just need to type into this cutout, and you just need to find which photo that you want to use as the stickers. Tap on it, and then the Instagram AI technology will generate the stickers for you. They could be isolate the object that they want to create later on to be the stickers. So you just need to wait until the process is finished. It's just depending to the clarity of your picture as well as the internet connection. And right after done, you will got this already isolated by the AI technology, and then you just need to tap use stickers. And now you already got the stickers on your photo, and those stickers could be saved into your sticker collection. You just need to tap it to check either the stickers is already saved it into your collections or not. Yep, it's already saved. So now you just need to back into your Instagram story section, and you just need to post it into your Instagram story. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.